I will quickly deliver the news about the Middle East war, reaching through the clouds of loss and censors. Iran has rejected all proposals for a temporary ceasefire and demanded a permanent end to the war, with a clear guarantee that the United States would not attack again. The Iranian Central Military Command criticized President Trump, calling his threat to destroy the country's major infrastructure if Iran does not accept a peace agreement within 48 hours powerless, anxious, unbalanced, and foolish. In effect, they have rejected the ultimatum. Iran accused the United States and Israel of attacking civilian infrastructure, defining it as a war crime and an act of state terrorism. This is Isfahan. Israeli Air Force planes were seen over Isfahan, followed by explosions in multiple locations. This footage is from southwestern Iran, where civilians and Iranian soldiers are searching for an American pilot. The Israeli military said Givati Brigade forces expanded ground operations in southern Lebanon, raiding Hezbollah facilities and targeting armed group infrastructure. A ballistic missile launched by Houthi rebels from Yemen was intercepted over Israeli airspace. The Israeli military released footage of its forces demolishing several buildings in Khayyam, a village near the Lebanon-Syria border in southern Lebanon. After Israel's attack warning, Lebanese border security began withdrawing from the Al-Mazna checkpoint with Syria. This is Jordan. Footage shows projectiles flying over Amman, Jordan, with one intercepted. This is the Gaza Strip. Near the entrance of the Al-Maghazi refugee camp in the Gaza Strip, an Israeli airstrike hit a vehicle, killing one Palestinian and injuring several others. An Iranian drone attack damaged the Kuwaiti Ministry of Finance. A gas facility in Kuwait was attacked by an Iranian drone. According to Kuwaiti media, the Iranian drone attacked Kuwait's state-owned oil company, causing a large fire. The Tehran prosecutor's office has ordered the seizure of assets and the freezing of bank accounts of over 100 top officials accused of aiding foreign enemies. Fars news agency reports that many of those arrested include actors, athletes, and journalists from Iran International and Monoto media outlet whom the Iranian government accuses of links to Israel. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard said they won't reveal if they found the pilot. In a statement released in Arabic on Saturday, the spokesperson for Iran's Joint Military Command said that the restrictions imposed in the Strait of Hormuz apply only to hostile countries. He said Iraq is exempt from Strait of Hormuz transit restrictions. Iranian General Qasem Soleimani's two daughters said they're not related to the two Iranian women arrested in the U.S. The U.S. State Department identified the women as Soleimani's niece and grandniece. Kuwait's state media said a fire broke out at the Shuaik oil complex after a drone attack. Hona News said there were no casualties and that fire and emergency crews responded to the scene. Egyptian authorities said they will raise electricity rates for high-use residential and commercial customers in April due to a severe global energy crisis. If more news comes in, I'll make and upload a video. This concludes the video. Thank you.